At O'Dea High School, we work hard to educate the whole student, cultivating academic growth as well as social, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being of our young men. O'Dea High School also offers a unique classroom environment where students and faculty build trust, which allows them to work collaboratively and problem solve together in the classroom. O'Dea offers a wide range of academic classes to challenge and prepare students for college and life after high school. O'Dea's Surface Tablet program prepares students with future-ready skills in the areas of communication, creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. O'Dea chooses to use industry-standard technology for teaching and learning, so that while students learn their subject matter, they're also developing skills that prepare them for their future work. Programs such as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere and InDesign, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Word, and Excel are taught to students alongside their curriculum. In addition to traditional graduation requirements, honors courses, and AP classes, O'Dea offers a wide range of high-interest courses such as engineering, sports journalism, anatomy, forensics, and sports medicine. O'Dea High School also partners with our neighbors at Seattle University and the Matteo Ricci Institute to offer college credits on campus. Our hope is to expand this program and start piloting additional STEM courses through Seattle University on campus at O'Dea High School.
At O'Dea, we are committed to providing a holistic and inclusive education for our students. We strive to meet our students where they are, and we celebrate diverse learners. The Educational Support Program is an accommodation-based service delivery model, which means that no student will be pulled out of the classroom to receive academic support, but rather accommodations are made to the curriculum so that students can access their learning alongside their peers. Students with qualifying diagnostic documentation are eligible for an O'Dea Educational Support Plan, or as we refer to it, an ESP. An ESP outlines the broad classroom accommodations that students are provided in their classroom to be able to access their learning. All of our academic supports are incorporated for on and off-campus learning.
The education at O'Dea High School is a well-rounded experience, one that will prepare you for college and living a life of character, faith, and service.
Being a college prep high school, the academics here are excellent. The teachers and courses make this place an ideal learning environment. Some of my favorite classes here at O'Dea have been junior theology, sophomore English, and personal finance. I've always been somebody that's wanted to be challenged academically, so thinking about post-high school, I've always had that in the back of my head. At O'Dea, the courses that I've taken, along with the material that I've learned, have prepared me for an Ivy League education. I'm grateful for the academic experience here at O'Dea. It's really set me up for great success.